Hey, Mr. McLaren here. We're going to be going over the Food Webs Wednesday, Thursday assignment, basically going to show you how to do the simulation expectation on and instructions on slide 6, I believe. Yeah, sorry, a little slow internet right now. So you click on this, that'll take you to the simulation, and I want you to get 3 screenshots. Um, there's a tutorial guide on how to take screenshots. We've done this before, but if you're not sure how to do that on the device that you're on, this is by default, it's going to the Chrome instructions and it has all these different instructions for that. You can also see like Windows and its instructions and like Mac, so on and so forth. So it should tell you what you need to do on your device to get that screenshot. And then you're going to be inserting that on to, well, for the first one, you're going to insert that onto this slide. So we're going to turn everything on. That's going to be the first thing that we do. And that should turn on all of the interactions. So pretty much everything is eating everything that it can. And then if we hit run, we'll observe what happens. And you'll get some data displayed in a little line graph, like where we've got the populations over time. Always bothers me when they don't put a Y or X-axis label, you know? And then you're gonna get a screenshot. I would like a screenshot that has this and that, but if you can only pick one, try and get this with the map and as much as you can. I believe if you shrink it, you might be able to get everything on there. Yeah, if you do a little, I did control minus on there, so that was able to zoom it out. You have the little zoom button. Yeah, so that's one option to get the screenshot. Then we're going to get that on there, answer some questions about it, and then we'll come back and do another one. This time it's going to be a little bit smaller where you're essentially building your own food web. So you turn on a few things, make them get ate by a few other things. Maybe those two are competing, and then this eats C, and then you're going to eat both of these two, and you're going to eat like that. Cool. So let's see how that works out for them. Run that simulation. We'll see what happens to the populations, who's getting ate, so on and so forth. And it looks to me like one of the plants is doing very, very well. It looks like a couple of the populations just crashed as well. Okay, interesting. We were left with only bunnies and snails and a couple plants because the top predator ran out of food, it looks like spiked down right away, the predator. They didn't have enough food. Yeah, interesting. There's a couple cool things that you got there. You'll screenshot that, you'll put on here, and then you're gonna do the same thing another time on slide 13. So you reset it, turn everything off, and customize it. Or you could actually tweak it if you're like, I wonder what happens if I introduce this and you can't actually click on those interactions, can you? If you do that though, can you undo that? Yeah, you can. Cool. So you could run that and see what ends up happening and screenshot that data. Oh, we do want to actually reset it though, I think. Yeah, let's reset it. And then we'll run. Yeah, it's weird. You can change the parameters midway through the test, so you should reset it when you're trying to do a new trial. Looks like the predator did not get taken out right away this time. Good for him. Oh, there they go. Cool, cool, cool. All right, well, that should be everything if you get those 3 screenshots in. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in class.